Install the frameless pivot door. This is the wall opening. This door set includes glass door leaf, door handle, installation tools, hardware accessories. Lock sets are pre-assembled at factory. These are frame profiles. There are 3 profiles in total. Only the top beam needs mounting. No bottom beam required. Door frames come pre-assembled from factory. We will demonstrate the splicing process. Each profile is marked front and reverse. Match profiles by serial numbers. Align number 1 with number 1. Then connect 2 number 1 profiles together. Frame splicing finished. Place the frame into the wall opening. Same installation as standard doors. Adjust rough position first. Turn on the laser level. Adjust frame position for alignment. Use tape to measure heights of 2 bottom sides. Ensure both sides are at equal height. Both sides measure over 60 centimeters. The other side shows identical height. Once the bottom edge is leveled, use level to check jamb verticality. After vertical alignment, drive 1 fixing screw at the top. If gaps exist around the frame, insert small wooden shims for support. Then fasten the screw. Now install the bottom fixing screw. Secure front to back verticality. Push shims tight against the frame, then lock screws. Cross-check diagonal lines with the level. Make sure frame is level, plumb, and square. Add extra screws to fix this jamb. This vertical jamb is fully secured. Adjust the opposite vertical jamb. This jamb tends to lean inward. Move the level to the opposite side. Readjust to full verticality. Align the level bubble. Follow this method. Complete leveling. Fasten screws for fixation. Tweak the top position on left jamb. Fine-tune the laser level until full verticality is achieved. Install bottom fixing screws. The entire door frame is now square. The top and bottom positioning feet of the pivot door frame are fixed. The ground horizontal flatness has been measured. The door frame is fully squared. Both vertical jambs are plumb. Next, mark the slot position for the pivot base. A recess needs to be cut on the ground for the pivot base. Keep the top and bottom spindles aligned. Use a laser level to project the center reference line for calibration. Turn on the laser level to cast the reference line. Aim the laser beam at the bottom spindle. Then align it with the top spindle. The laser line lands right at the spindle center. Mark the recess along this center line. Draw the front and rear length boundaries of the recess along the center line. This line indicates the full length of the recess. Check if the frame tilts inward or outward. Move the laser level to the outer side of the wall opening for calibration. Align the laser with the spindle center point again. Align the top spindle first. The top frame is already fixed in place. The laser is perfectly centered on the top spindle now. If the bottom spindle is offset, slightly adjust the door frame. Do not move the frame beyond the marked lines. Once centered, draw offset boundary lines on both sides. Cut the ground recess following all marked lines. First cut the outline lines with an angle grinder for ground grooving. Then chisel away the concrete with an air pick. Standard recess dimensions. Length 305 mm. Width 105 mm. The construction size can be expanded to 310 mm x 110 mm. Adjust the recess depth according to the pivot base. The ground recess has been cut. Take out the laser level. Calibrate with the laser level. Align the top spindle first. Align the top and bottom spindles. Aim at the exact center. Place the pivot base fully into the ground recess. This is a right-hand pivot door. This is a right-hand opening style. Adjust the built-in set screws. Extend the screw on this side. Shorten the opposite screw. This creates a tilt angle on the pivot base. Rely on the base tilt. To realize automatic self-closing, 4 left-hand opening doors. The adjustment is reversed. Extend the screw on this side. Shorten the other side screw. Reverse the 2 screws. To fit left-hand self-closing. Adjust as required during installation. We pre-adjust it before delivery. Set the pivot base into the ground recess. If the recess is oversized, fill the bottom with leveling materials, such as cement mortar. Any filling material works. Press until the base is flush with the floor. Base installation steps complete. Use laser level to check horizontal and vertical. Ensure horizontal and vertical alignment. Before covering the plate, pour anti-rust agent first. Coat anti-rust compound evenly all around. This step is finished. Refit the metal cover plate. Tighten the fixing screws. Keep the cover flush with the floor. Match the height of the glass door leaf. Important note: the metal cover plate must stick tight to the floor. No bulging allowed. Ground pivot base fixed fully. Next, fill all missing fixing screws. Only side and bottom screws are installed for now. Fill screws on all remaining positions. Install the door leaf after all screws are fastened. Factory spindles are horizontal by default. Vertical spindles are required for door installation. Factory supplied spindles are placed horizontally. Adjust them to vertical. If kept horizontal, the door leaf cannot be mounted. Slide the door leaf onto vertical spindles. Now mount the door leaf. Use support boards for assistance. Lift the door leaf. Secure with glass suction cups. Stick suction cups to glass surface. Feel for the bottom spindle hole by hand. Align and connect to the pivot base spindle. Clip the bottom spindle in place. Bottom spindle installed. Then fit the top spindle sleeve. The top sleeve pops outward. Push it back into position with a tool. Adjust inward to reset. Rotate the sleeve inward to lock. Adjust the sleeve close to the metal pin. Loosen this adjusting screw. Set the door leaf temporarily. Tighten the adjusting spindle. Tighten the top screw. The glass door leaf is hung completely. Spindle locked into the base slot. Installation finished. Align with the inner pin spindle. Engage the pin. Tighten the adjusting screw again. Tighten the spindle slowly. The spindle fully sinks into the slot. Zoom in to check alignment. The spindle fits perfectly. Full contact achieved. Open the door to test closing performance. Test door opening and closing. Fully open the door leaf. Check closing effect. Automatic self-closing. Fully closed. Inspect gaps all around. Top and bottom gaps equal. Even top clearance. Confirm tight side seam. Current gap meets standard. If uneven gaps appear. Wide gap at bottom, tight at top. This means the frame jamb is offset. Readjust the vertical jamb. Open the door for correction. If gaps exist after opening, remove side fixing screws. Shift the jamb slightly. Adjust until gaps are uniform. This door is pre-calibrated. No secondary adjustment needed. Gap inspection passed. Next, install door handles. Electronic lock pre-assembled at factory. Lock body fitted before shipment. Only handles need on-site assembly. Comes with 2 handles, including 2 fixing screws. Assembly steps as follows. Watch demonstration. Fit gasket on inner side. Fit gasket on outer side too. Slide the handle on. Screw loosely first. Just hold it in place. Tighten bottom screw. Leave adjustment clearance. Do not fully fasten top screw. Outer side also uses gasket. Fit gaskets on both sides. Thread on screws. After all handles fitted, tighten all screws fully. Once fully tightened, the sealing strip can rotate freely. Test rotation direction. Keep strip horizontal. Refer to this mounting effect. Horizontal installation is correct. Top strip installed the same way. Tighten all screws. Strip lies horizontal. Last model was inward opening. This one opens outward. 4 outward opening doors. Seal strip assembly is reversed. Do not install fittings backwards. This is an outward pivot door. Adjust strip to lie flat. Use tool to level the strip. Fit the upper seal strip. Tighten 3 grub screws. 3 grub screws in total. Handle and strip assembly complete. Close door to test fit. Seam fits perfectly. If latch fails to engage, door cannot close fully. Only 1 temporary screw fitted at factory. No top and bottom fixed screws. Adjust lockbox up and down on site. Fit top and bottom screws after alignment. Main door installation finished. Final check all perimeter gaps. Fill gaps with gaskets first. Caulk any remaining clearances. Run sealant along door edge gaps. Full sealing treatment. Refer to standard installation process. Apply sealant both inside and outside.